Handling a newborn baby after feedings involves a few key considerations to ensure their comfort, safety, and well-being. Here are some tips. Burping. Gently burp your baby after each feeding to release any trapped air. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder or sit them on your lap and pat or rub their back. Diaper change. Check the diaper. It's common for babies to soil their diapers during or after feedings. Change the diaper promptly to keep them dry and comfortable. Cuddle and bond. Spend some quiet time cuddling and bonding with your baby. This can be a good opportunity for skin-to-skin contact, which is beneficial for both you and the baby. Positioning. Keep your baby in an upright position for a little while after feeding to help with digestion and reduce the risk of reflux. You can hold them against your shoulder or keep them in a slightly elevated position. Quiet environment. Try to create a calm and quiet environment after feeding. Avoid loud noises and bright lights, as these can be overstimulating for a newborn. Avoid overstimulation. Be mindful of overstimulating your baby, especially if they have just fallen asleep during or after feeding. Try to keep the surroundings calm and limit interactions to prevent waking them up unnecessarily. Observation. Watch for signs of discomfort or spit up. If your baby seems uncomfortable or is experiencing excessive spit up, you may need to adjust their feeding position or try burping them again. Swaddling. Some babies find comfort in being swaddled. Swaddling can help them feel secure and prevent them from startling themselves awake. However, make sure to leave enough room for the baby's hips to move. Responsive parenting. Pay attention to your baby's cues and respond promptly to their needs. If they show signs of hunger, discomfort, or sleepiness, address those needs accordingly. Safe sleep practices. If your baby falls asleep after feeding, place them in a safe sleeping environment. Lay them on their back in a crib with no loose bedding, toys, or pillows. Follow recommended safe sleep guidelines to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS.